really tight.
Then what happens, Lydia?
And then open your mouth. But he didn't. But someday a zipper was dropping down.
Went down his throat.
And then he was wearing a blue rope. And then he did shoes too. Looked and looked and looked and looked and looked and looked and looked. But someday it snowed. And then someday he made so the snow.
It snowed! Wow! What do you do when it snows, Sadia?
I don't know.
Do you go outside and make snowmen?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else do you do?
Go
Wanna come down?